Welcome to Mind Flows. Today, we'll go over the dashboards from Monday.com. With dashboards, you'll have a fantastic method to view data across your Monday.com account in one location. Easily create summaries, reports, and obtain a high-level picture of everything that is significant to you with the help of dashboards. So let's get started. To create a dashboard, click at the top left of your screen and select New Dashboard. You can choose to make your dashboard public and make it visible to everyone that is in your account, or private and share it with those whom you want it to invite. Essentially, give your dashboard a name and hit Create Dashboard. Connect boards with your dashboard. In this case, we will only connect the legal request board. By default, some widgets are already available for you to choose, but you can always use the Add Widget button as another option. By choosing full screen, you'll have a wider glance of your chart. Change the type of the chart here in the settings. Choose stacked bar, pie chart, or whatever that is available here to display your data. With the label found at the bottom part of the settings, choose which data you want your chart to display. Adjust the widget by dragging the side and dropping it when the desired size of your chart has achieved, and rename your chart by clicking this text right here. Add multiple widgets to your dashboard to display several information from your board. This way, you will see a summary of whatever is crucial to your business. Additionally, you'll have access to all the tools and data you need in a single view. Connect another board to your dashboard by clicking this and choose which boards from your account will be additionally displayed. If you're looking to add another type of widget, you do have lots of options to find here on Monday.com. By clicking the More widget, you will be redirected to the Widget Center, and here you can choose whichever is fit to show your data. For example, this I was mentioned widget, to show all comments that your name is being mentioned across your account. The calendar widget that will display your items by date in a visually appealing calendar. The workload widget to display the measurement of your team members' workload. And the files gallery widget to show all of the files uploaded in your board. Pretty cool, right? We can also add a dashboard as a board view. Just click the plus sign icon, then select Dashboard. From then, you can create the same dashboard with the same information the way we have created from scratch. With dashboards, you will get a bird's eye view of all your data in a snap. Follow us for more Monday.com tutorials. We are Mind Flows, a certified Monday.com partner.